I've been using since I think so 10-15 days. I just got around this app and I found it a bit fascinating according to what I wanted. Like I'm using it for the same purpose and I'm benefiting out of it. Like basically whatever I actually was dreaming that this type of app should be there in the market. So I was searching and got it previously. Formerly it was Register Book or something, and now it's Leo's. Yeah, the ready-made templates, because it's easier. See, everybody wants to go ahead and be faster, like whatever they are doing. Like, so the templates makes it easier. Just tap on it, and in case you want to do some amendments and all this, so it's always available. That is fantastic. For me, it has made things more easier.
Right.
Because and for my teammates who are not much tech savvy or sort of like, means for a layman, even he can understand it's that easy. And this is what actually it should be like, where app should be very easily accessible, easily understanding, and people should, so the more understanding and easy, people will access it more. That's what I really understand. An event like coming up, and I'm preparing for it, where I'm using Leo app for the coordination with my teammates and my members and all this like. So it's very I'm liking it like anything. I was actually very happy when I got this type of app, which really it's just like a dream come true for me. Yeah, it's something I was thinking there should be an app, because I have there are options like spreadsheet and various other I won't name, but this is more user friendly, more easy, and what exactly it should be according to technology that is growing up. Like this is what should be. I understand that whatever apps and technology that comes up, it should be user friendly and more easier to access. Like